Look at those claws. That human hand is right beside them for scale. Harpy eagles have talons up to 8 inches long, bigger than a grizzly bear's. Like and share if that surprises you.
They use their wings like sails to turn while running.
Meet the wandering albatross, master of the open ocean. Its wings stretch an incredible 11 feet, the largest span of any bird.
That giant pouch isn't just for show. On a Dalmatian pelican, it can scoop up to 3 gallons of water. Sunlight makes the web of blood vessels glow as the bird dips for a catch. Built-in fishing net and strainer.
That giant red balloon? It's actually the throat pouch of a male great frigate bird. He spends about 20 minutes pumping it full of air to impress the females. Hard to miss, right? Give it a like and share if you think he'd...
This little king penguin chick looks like a fluffy potato with feet. All that chocolate brown down is its winter coat, and it's still figuring out how to waddle after mom. Every step is a tiny bounce of fluff. Hard to believe it'll...
Meet the magnificent frigate bird, an aerial marathoner of the sea. With a wingspan wider than many eagles, it can ride warm air currents and stay aloft for more than 2 months without touching land.